Is eFootball 2023 keep crashing and keep stopping on your Android device? Recently, some football app users saying that the apps keep crashing or showing eFootball. If football has stopped because of this problem, the eFootball user can play the game on their mobile device. So after analyzing the issues here, I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix the crashing problem for eFootball. So let's get started. First, open Settings. Scroll down to Additional Settings. Scroll down to the Developer option. Make sure to turn on the Developer option. Scroll down and find Graphics Drive Preferences. Tap on it. Now find the eFootball game. Tap on the eFootball apps. Choose System Graphic Driver. Now go back. Scroll down and tap Allow Screen Overlay on Setting. After this process, now move on and follow the second process. To follow the second process, open Setting, scroll down to Apps, tap Manage Apps, look for the eFootball application, and tap on it. Now tap Auto Start, tap Other Permission, tab Display, pop-up windows while running in the background. Now go back. Tap Battery Saver, tap No Restriction, enable all the settings, tap Clear Data, choose a Clear All Crash, and tap OK. Now go ahead and check your problem. Now if you still have the same issues, you need to follow the third process. Open the Google Play Store. Search for eFootball Games app. Check for new update. After following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve your eFootball keep stopping error on Android. And you'll also be able to play the game. If you still have a problem, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.